Deep in the forest, an artist is on a mission. He gathers wood, dried plants, and leaves, and with each piece, he brings his vision to life. At first, it just looks like he's organizing forest materials, but soon his masterpiece takes shape: a stunning dragon named BlackMythWukong, crafted entirely from nature. As the dragon comes to life on the forest floor, you can see the artist's incredible skill and imagination. Wait, but this isn't his only masterpiece. Just look at the other stunning creations he's crafted with his skilled, delicate hands.